Welcome back to Cooking with Oria. For today's video, we'll be making Greek roasted lemon potatoes, or as Greeks call it, patatas. Peel 6 medium potatoes, cut them in wedges. Soak them in water with 2 tablespoons of salt. Rinse your potatoes afterwards. Add black pepper, salt, olive oil. Transfer your potatoes to a bake dish. Add vegetable broth or chicken broth. Squeeze 2 lemon and add it to your potatoes. Clubhouse vegetable seasoning. Bake it until it's golden and crispy.